Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send the crypto from Binance to your RedotPay account. So first of all, you need to launch Binance application and then log in into your account. Over here, tap on the option of assets. Then you need to tap on the option of support. Over here, you need to select USDT first. Then tap on the option of send. Now among the given options, you need to select the option of withdraw asset. So after selecting this option, it is going to ask you first to select the network. So you need to select the BEP20 network. Then it is going to ask you to provide the address over here. So in order to get this address, you need to launch your RedotPay application. Now over here, tap on the option of deposit. Then you need to simply select the option of USDT from the given crypto list. Then select the option of on-chain withdrawal, and you need to select the same network which you have selected in Binance, which in our case is BNB or BEP20. Now as soon as you do this, you are going to see a QR code and the deposit address in front of you. So you need to copy this address from here. Then you need to go back on your Binance application and you need to simply paste this address. Then you need to press next. Now you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to send, and as soon as you do that, you just have to simply tap on the option of withdraw. On the next page, you just have to make the payment. If you have enabled any kind of confirmations like Google Authenticator, you need to provide the code, and on your verification or email, a verification code will be sent, so you need to paste that and complete your withdrawal process. So as soon as you have done that, within 10 to 15 minutes, you are going to receive your crypto inside your RedotPay account, and it is going to be visible over here on the top. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.